My name's Vicki, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make flourless French toast. This recipe calls for 8 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sweetener of your choice, and then 1 stick of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Blend away. Pour your batter in. Put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. So after you're done removing the parchment paper, then you can cut your French toast sticks. 3 sticks per serving. Get your griddle heating at 350 degrees. If you want a more buttery flavor, you can always add a little butter onto the griddle, which is usually what I do. You can definitely use like a sugar-free syrup if you're trying to watch your sugar intake. Of course, that is artificial sweetener. Or you can use berries. I like to use berries.